Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today, and it's actually a Scrap Diva Designs die that I wanted to play with. And this is the bag topper, the skull bag. Well, actually this is not the bag topper, but let me show you real quick. It is, you get the backer for the bag topper, and you get two sizes, the large and the small. They look, oh my gosh, this is the worst. Like that. And you get two of the small for the front and the back. You can cut them out at the same time. Actually, that's the large. This is the small. Oh boy. You get two of each size, so it makes cutting them out easy. And then I have the add-on. This is the skull embellishment set. You've got glasses, a spider, and a bow, and a witch hat. And you can use these as embellishment pieces. One looks like this with the frowny face, and this is just plain. So it's similar to this one, but this one has like stitching on their heads, on the skull. I only use this part right here, and I took these pieces and I used it to decorate our bag topper. So the bag topper looks like that. And then the little hat piece, the glasses, the bow, the spider comes from the other set of dies. So yeah, I just cut these out. This is for a swap that I'm in. Now these hearts in the glasses, they do pop out, but I like it better with the hearts in. So they look like shades rather than glasses. So I cut out the large and the small, and this is for a swap that I'm participating in, and they'll get a large bag topper and a small bag topper, one of each size. And yeah, I just really wanted to share that die collection with you. This is what the embellishing pieces look like. Isn't that cute? So there's the glasses, there's the hat, the spider, and part of the bow. I just used the flat bow since I have to pack this flat. And I put some stickles in the eyes of the witch head, this one. So I use Stardust. So yeah, that's my project share. I do have another video. It will come out with the full swap, but I really wanted to emphasize this little die collection because it's super cute. Look at that. Oh, just like that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.